when I tell y'all this blister aftermath wants her own sequel. It's cool though, I have just the thing, I think, to the handful. So this finger is gonna need a super duper scrub. So I made a simple, quick, grainy remedy with the rough stuff. Equal parts of coffee grounds and cane sugar, and then a half part of walnut shells, and then a capful of coconut oil to give me a really rough mix from the start. For context, any rough scrub will do, especially if you dry scrub the area first, as in without adding excess or any water. But the thing or caveat about scrubbing your hands, knuckles with scrubs, etc. is that you should take your time. It's easy to rub off skin, and if you have salt scrub, it burns. Hence the phrase, throwing salt on a wound. So yeah, be careful. The best way to do this is as you go, adding a little bit of water to your scrub-covered hands to soften the scrub's power. Then continue to scrub thoroughly but gently, and then rinse.